Ghana, fine. I don't want to put my hands together for myself. Before I introduce myself, I want to say, ladies, women, girls, and babes, I welcome you today. Gentlemen, papa, brother, and uncle, I welcome you today. Me, I don't believe that ladies and gentlemen, because if you say ladies, you add mama, grandmama. I know say one grandmama did it. Now we respect them. I be not be so.
It be so.
Now we respect them. I didn't like when we say when people sit down. You see, we have brothers here. Me, I know say I young, but I still senior somebody. We get daddies here, like this my papa now. He no be my mate, you know say gentleman. I be man, I no be poor. You understand? I be no be so. Yes. I didn't like if I go occasion, I would respect people with their dignity. Sir, I greet you, sir. I remember Goodluck Jonathan when he come presidency. So, true, I won't confess myself to you people. I be full Nigerian guy, Benin boy. Yes. But since Nigeria won't change my situation, now change. I wanna be laughing. Nigeria, I go school, I live for Lagos, Sulere, Lawansi. How many of them know Lawansi? I go for Ojota Primary School, finish secondary school, become graduate of Ojota Secondary School. But situation changed me, just like that. That's where be the next place. Even Ghana must go, Nigeria and follow Ghana go. Don't only Ghana go. Nigeria go follow. I follow Ghana go. But the only problem I get when we go back to Nigeria now, they say, my papa, I make mistake when I come Ghana, I change money. Then they tell me, say, I don't know, say 1,000, 10,000 naira and 1 million for Ghana. Now I tell my papa, say, now I am a millionaire. That is why I don't go back to Nigeria now. I did extra. Because my papa component canopy, confident that say my son is a millionaire. Holy Ghost Father. I've been millionaire. As long as I take Ghana, everything are millions. I'm a millionaire. My brother, don't be sporting. I tell you, it's not easy at all. I know how toilet hold me for this Ghana. I go from like, I don't know how to express something so that the Nigerian people understand what I mean. You know how person go waka from, if you be Lagosian here, you go waka from Sulere bus stop, come Lawansi, come shit. How you go imagine when punch go you? Okay, now true, I say I confess myself. I confess myself. I know they confess. If I reach you now, matter will change. My brother, don't be small issue. But I thank God for Mahama. I will put your hands together for Mahama. It's now changing the land. Whether they like it or not, now one touch. Now one touch, keke. Yes. Ghana they grow, they complain, say subsidy, this, that. Nigeria no face am. We still survive. Ghana must say they grow like that. I love Ghana too much. Ghana don't change my life. I come and they pray, say I won't become. I say God, I want to be great so that when I go back to my land, they will see that I'm great. I wanted to be a pastor, a minister, so that when I stand, I will lay hands on people. Gee, look, I just said, look, make you mind yourself the way you talk to ministers. I don't go do like this. If the Holy Ghost won't touch you, you do like this. You don't say your name will cancel for heaven. You don't disobey God. You do like this. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Look, let me tell you, get some things wrong they do, our name will miss for heaven. Yes, and the kind of calling, oh God, oh God, oh God. See, thank God for my color. I know if I go heaven, God will say, yes. They say so many books is here. Oh, issues. God, they write things, so my color is intact. If I go heaven, God don't need to look my color before he knows I'm Jonathan. My real name, no be comedy name. My real name, God knows my real name, that Jonathan. Then, God will say Jonathan and say, sir, I'm here. But somebody go pay. Maybe like a lady, now this is a do that in part. Margaret will say, now maybe this one. God knows Margaret black. Margaret come become yellow. He'll say, are you sure? No, stand aside. Stand aside. Put your hands together for myself. Fine ladies, I greet you now. My sister, I'd like to do my thing like poem. As we continue the show, maybe I will come back again. Thank you very much.
Why you people gallivanting the land?